This video I will talk about reservation system. Reservation system works together with your web page. So here's, for example, your web page, and once a customer clicks reservation or pricing, they will see something like this. They will be asked to enter the zip code. So now, to integrate the reservation system, we can host websites for you, or you can have your own website. We can add the code to your existing website, or if you know any programmer, you can direct them to here, to the main page of Strict Manager and the online reservation system. Click for reservation API right here, API, and now once we go here, you will be able to see the code that they need to add, and that way you will have reservation system on your website ready to go. Alright, so a couple words how that reservation system works. So you see your reservation system is kind of like has bluish background. Already scheduled jobs have this reddish grayish color. You can move them from one employee to another, change the time, but you cannot click on it to modify it. If you want to modify jobs, you have to go back to the calendar here, right? So this is useful to show those jobs under the reservation tab, because that way now you see, for example, Thursday, December 3rd, every employee is full. There's no reason to add availability. You're not going to add availability. But let's go for tomorrow, for example. You know, Sophia doesn't have anything, Maria doesn't have anything, so we can add availability for tomorrow. Availability, just simply mark the calendar, have the zip codes as serviced, say availability, right? So let's delete for now. Another thing that I want to show you is the add remove zip codes. It's right under resources. You have to set it up first to use your reservation system. All company zip codes here, for example, right? So if customer goes to your website, remember we service 22201. When customer does 22201, click submit, it takes them to get quote page, right? So that means we service the zip code. Now if customer, let's say, lives in zip code 22204, that is not under here, under all company, what will happen is, here we go to 204, click submit. Unfortunately, we don't service this area. Well, we can add it. It's 22204. Let's add this postal code, and once we click submit, it takes to another page. Here we go, the area added to our service area. Another thing, you also can add individual postal codes. I'll show with example how it works. Let's say that you want availability on Friday afternoon only for one zip code, only for 22204, right? And only Maria is available, anyone else is not available. And it would not make sense on Friday afternoon for Maria to drive to the postcode 22201. She can service only 22204. Right, so how it works, we added Maria to 204, and here are all company zip codes. We go here, what is that, Friday afternoon. Alright, so let's say Friday afternoon, we want to add Maria. So 22204 zip code, save availability. Once a customer goes and they enter not 22204 but 22201, so all company zip codes, submit, can get the quote. I just quickly select any values. So let's go to the calendar. We go to the calendar on our website, see no availability, even though we posted availability, right? But since we posted availability only for 22204, it will not exist on the calendar. Now if we enter zip code, we still service that area to 201, but there's no availability. But once I enter zip code 22204, submit, and then just select any values. Alright, start reservation. Go Friday. Here we go. We have this availability right here, and customer can click on it. Now, let's say for the company, for other employees, we also can add availabilities. This will be for all zip codes. Wednesday add availability. You know, Tuesday add availability, and Monday add availability. Once we go and refresh the view, see all these availabilities are added here. So let's do this. Let's go to customer. Let's add a customer. Let's say Sarah Rogers. She wants to make a reservation. She makes a reservation online. Right, so I'll go here. Four, 3, 8, enter information, email. Now customer selects all these values and made a reservation. So what happens on our end, once you refresh that, we see one reservation was made. And made reservation here is in orange. You click on that orange color. You also can email the customer, just make sure that they want the reservation. We need your confirmation. You can send this email to the customer. And then once you're waiting for confirmation, you can mark it as waiting confirmation. It will be in yellow. Okay, or you can, once they called you with confirmation, or you just simply want to schedule right away, you click here on Sarah Rogers, shows customer tab, add customer, and everything is already pre-filled. You just select resources, let's say for Maria. Charges already that were shown on the website are here, 175. Comments, all selections. You do create job, yellow turns into grayish, reddish. That means job is scheduled, and here it shows Sarah Rogers. So that way the system is really easy, and then customers can make reservations online. They don't need to call you. They don't need to ask you for pricing or ask you for available dates. Everything right there on the website, and it's very easy for you and for the customer.